Hey guys, we just made our hot chocolate, putting in a microwave cup.
A microwave safe cup, right?
Yes. We added milk, then we had to add a little bit of the syrup, and then we stir it, and then it's now chocolatey.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to be putting this in the microwave. So let's be really careful and watch out. And let's put it like in the middle right here. Now we're going to click time cook, and we're going to put 0, 3, 3, 0. And now let's start.
Now, where do you keep your microwave?
We keep the microwave over here,
Away from...
away from the water electricity.
Good.
And while it's waiting, we can just take a look at it. But we don't want to get near it too much.
Right.
But we can at least look at it.
Yeah.
As you can see, it is spinning around. Alright, it's done. Now let's see. Now I gotta be really careful.
Good job.